The study is the first to assess the economic impacts that individual countries have caused to other countries through their cumulative national-level contributions to global warming. The study, published in the journal Climatic Change, provides an essential basis for nations to make legal claims for economic losses tied to emissions and warming. This research provides legally valuable estimates of the financial damages individual nations have suffered due to other countries' climate-changing activities. Among the data, the research found that a small group from the world's leading national emitters of greenhouse gases have caused $6 trillion. According to the study, emissions from the US and China, the world's two leading emitters, are responsible for global income losses of over $1.8 trillion each in the 25-year period from 1990. Economic losses caused by Russia, India, and Brazil individually exceed $500 billion each for the same years. The $6 trillion in cumulative losses attributable to the five countries equals about 11% of annual global GDP within the study period. This research provides an answer to the question of whether there is a scientific basis for climate liability claims. The answer is yes, said Christopher Callahan, first author of the study and a PhD candidate at Dartmouth. In addition to losses, the research also values the economic benefits derived from warming caused by country-level emissions but highlights that the large gains disproportionately benefiting some countries do not negate the losses suffered in others. The study focuses on the economic impacts of temperature change as a consequence of emissions, not other effects of emissions such as those on air quality. Data presented in the study quantifies economic impacts based on distinct greenhouse gas emissions accounting schemes, considering those emissions that happened within a country's territory versus the emissions embodied in international trade. The research shows that the distribution of warming impacts from emitters is highly unequal, with the top 10 global emitters causing more than two-thirds of losses worldwide. Countries that lose income are warmer and poorer than the global average and are generally located in the tropics and the global south. Countries that gain income are cooler and wealthier than the global average and are generally located in the middle latitudes and the north. The responsibility for the warming rests primarily with a handful of major emitters, and this warming has resulted in the enrichment of a few wealthy countries at the expense of the poorest people in the world. For years, researchers have worked to establish direct legal links between economic low. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.